Welcome to Long-Built Homes Warranty Team. We're going to show you how to do some caulking. My name is Evan James.
And I'm Gordon Cruz.
And together with the warranty team at Long-Built Homes, is this my good side, Gordon?
Oh, you look good on both sides.
Thanks, buddy. Gordon's going to show you, this is the correct caulking gun to get. These are the best ones. They're actually dripless.
They're dripless because they don't drip. In order to get the proper caulking into where you want to caulk, you need a good tip on your cartridge. This gun will do that for you. It will cut the tip off so that you have an opening. Okay, so once you have the tip cut, I like to shave the sides so that you can get closer to where you're going to do the caulking, like say in a corner, like we're going to be doing. This corner here is opened up from being a little bit dry, so after a couple years you may have to walk around your house and look for spots like this. This caulking gun will fix it. Just put the tip where you want to do the caulking and get it in there. Now watch this. I've released the handle and nothing is spewing out. That's why it's called dripless. For the final of your caulking, you need to use your finger to smooth it out. To finalize this caulking job we're doing today, we're going to fix the last part, which is the corner. Easy pressure.
The caulking that we use is DAP. It's white. The stuff we use dries in 20 minutes. You don't necessarily have to get that unless you're a professional. Gordon's going to explain the gun.
The gun can be bought on Amazon and it's called dripless. It's the only yellow caulking gun on the market, so you won't have any problems finding it. That's it.
Well done, Gordon.
We're done.